Hi there! Today I'd like to share a day from my little late summer vacation. I'm going on a one-day bus tour to Nagano prefecture with my friend. The schedule is to meet at 6:45 a.m. at Shinjuku Station. So I got up before 5 a.m. I think it's pretty tough. We're concentrating on not missing our station this time. I'm taking my camera for the first time in a long time since I've been on this trip. We arrived at Shinjuku Station without any problems. There are a few people at Shinjuku Station early in the morning on holidays. It was before the meeting time, but many participants had already gathered at the meeting place. We chose HIS as our travel agency. It's sunny in Tokyo, but what about the weather in Karuizawa, Nagano? Here is today's bus. It's like a school trip. We're so excited. As soon as we got on the bus, it's snack time. See you, Shinjuku! It's my first time on a bus tour, so I'm a little nervous. The tour conductor is explaining the rules of the trip. It's a group activity, so punctuality is important. It takes more than 3 hours one way. Let's go! Actually, the weather forecast predicted rain in Nagano, but we were relieved to see blue skies. We arrived at our first destination, Yanagimachi. This area used to be a castle town, so remnants of that can still be seen here. Apparently, it's also a gourmet spot for miso, soba noodles, sake brewing, natural yeast bread, and so on. We enjoy just strolling around the town looking at the atmospheric streets. They were selling local goat cheese, so we decided to buy some. Now that we're back on the bus, let's eat it. I usually don't drink at all, but now I want a glass of wine. Next, we're heading to a restaurant for lunch. I'm so excited to be able to eat mushroom dishes. I love it. We arrived at the restaurant. This is today's menu. Japanese mixed rice with mushrooms, soba noodles, sashimi konjac, mustard mushrooms, and mushroom soup, shine muscat grape for dessert, and this is all you can eat. Heading to our next destination. After lunch, I was so full that I fell asleep on the bus. But when I woke up, the scenery had completely changed. Going up the mountain road in circles. It feels so nice and full of nature. Next, we're going to see the waterfall that I'm looking forward to the most. Finally arrived. I was surprised when I got off the bus because it's incredibly cool. Even though it's mid-September, it's still a hot summer's day, and the highest temperature on this day is 35 degrees. But it's very cool here and the clear water is soothing. This is Shiraito Waterfalls. Shiraito means white threads. The foreign water looks like it. I like the delicate thread-like flow of the waterfall, but I prefer this more intense flow because of my personality. It seems to wash away all the bad things. The sun is gradually setting and we're finally on our way to our final destination. Karuizawa is a summer resort area with many holiday homes. I envy those who own a holiday home in such a beautiful place. Lastly, we'll stroll along the cute Karuizawa Ginza street. On this street, you can walk and eat and shop for souvenirs. Here we had the famous curry bread. Next, we had homemade sausage. I liked the fresh scent of herbs. Lastly, we'll eat crepes and return to the bus. We bought a lot of souvenirs and was very satisfied. I'm going home with a raisin butter sandwich. I'm glad I was able to make good memories of my summer vacation. Try and take advantage of the bus tour because it will take you to popular sightseeing spots just by sitting down. That's all for today's video. Thank you for watching until the end.